Hey, how's it going, guys? It's Jay, that drain guy. We're going up to an apartment today, and I was on this line yesterday, but up on the 17th floor. Now the 4th floor is backing up. So we're gonna go in and snake it out using the K50 to make sure we get right down to the bottom of the stack. So let's go in and see what we find. All right, that's it. So I like using this because it has the cutout in it, and I can have the water running once I clear it. But we can stick the K50 line right through there. As you can see, K50. You think someone is upstairs got a washer? Well, they probably do. You're probably right. You gotta talk to the management, see if they can figure out who. Does this happen quite frequently?
I'm alone.
Yeah, exactly. All right, let's pull it out. At the bottom of the stack, so down by the basement. So basically, this pipe goes into the wall, and then it goes all the way down to the basement. And you are the way the drains are set up. You're the bottom end of the main pipe. So everyone's above comes into yours. So we had to snake right down to the basement and clear the blockage there.
Now it will be fine?
It'll be fine for now. Yeah, I can't ever say for how long because you can't control what other people are doing up above, right? So if people are using dishwashers and washing machines and pouring oil and grease down the drain, it's going to create more issues, right? So hopefully you're good for quite a while. I don't want to say for how long because I can't say, right?
I lived in this apartment 11 years. This is first time.
First time? Oh, that's good.
First time.
It's good that long. That's a really good length of time. 11 years. That's really good. So you should be good for quite a while. As soon as you ever notice any issues, any gurgling, any running slow or anything, let them know right away. Okay? And then that way. But the one thing I'm gonna say, if this happens again, try to make sure all this stuff is out before we come.
Yeah,
okay?
Yeah. I didn't know it.
Well, it's just like when I came, this pipe was leaking, right? I don't know if when you pull the basket out, you hit it, or it's none of my, I don't care. I'm gonna coupling everything back together, but if there's that much stuff in there and there's a leak, you'll never know, right? So, and then it could create bigger issues. So, just be aware, all right? we go, guys. Till next time, it's been Jay, that drain guy, signing out. We're out.